To help you out, we're going to go through last night's homework, and I will share with you how to build these equations and find those solutions, and then I will assign you your homework, which will be due on Monday. So let's take a look at the first example from your homework. You were asked to find 4 consecutive integers with the sum of 94. If we recall the idea here of consecutive integers, those that come directly side by side. So we have our first value, we have the second number, which is 1 away, we have the third number, which is 2 away, and we have an extra one here, so we have a fourth number, which is going to be 3 away, and we set that equal to 94. So the idea here's number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. Those represent our consecutive values. So I have 4x plus 6 is equal to 94, 4x is equal to 88, so x is equal to 22. So we're going to have 22, this one's going to be 22, plus 1 is 23, plus 2 is 24, plus 3 is 25. Find 3 consecutive even integers whose sum is negative 30. Just a little different. Remembering even integers are every other one, so we want 3. So here's my first term. The next one, remember, is 2 away in the pattern, so x plus 2. And then again, always in reference to the first one, the third one is going to be 4 away from the first one. So that's my first number. This represents my second number. This is my third number. And that sum is equal to negative 30. So we're going to collect together our x's, collect together the other numbers. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides. So 3x is equal to negative 36. So x is equal to negative 12. So this is going to be negative 12. Add 2 to it, and this is going to be negative 10. Add 2 more to that, and we are going to be at negative 8. So my answers are going to be negative 12, negative 10, negative 8. We have 22, 23, 24, and 25, and you can check that math. So let's take a look at the other ones. We're talking about odd integers, again, the sum. Remembering odds have the same pattern as the evens. So that first number, we're looking for 3. Here's the second number, it's 2 away from the first. And that third number is going to be 4 away from the first, and setting that equal to 39. Collecting together, we can see a similar pattern forming here. 3x is equal to 33, so x is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11, x plus 2 is equal to 13, x plus 4 is equal to 15, knowing that x is 11. Find 4 consecutive odds. So instead of 3, we're looking for 4. So we're going to have the same pattern as above, but we're just going to add 1 more to it. So we're going to have our first 3. We're going to add 1 more to that, which is 6 away from our original number. And we've summed it to 336. So we have 4 x's here because we're looking for 4 values. We have 12. 336, 4x is equal to 324, so x is going to equal to 81. Remember, these were odd integers, so x is equal to 81, x plus 2 is equal to 83, x plus 4 is equal to 85, x plus 6 is equal to 87. Then find 4 consecutive integers with the sum of 26. So these are 4 numbers that are right next to each other, like 1, 2, 3. So we have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3. Remembering that this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number equal to 26. So we have 4 x's plus 6 equals 26. 4x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 5. X plus 1 is equal to 6. That's a 1. X plus 2 is equal to 7. X plus 3 is equal to 8. Your homework for Monday when I return is the extra practice handout that the sub will give you to complete working on our consecutive integers. And that will be due on Monday, and we'll go through that in class together.